Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across and all of our servers are busy right now. Please try again in a minute, error code 503. So this is on Reddit side more than likely, so there's really nothing you can do on your end. And the way you can check is I'm going to have a couple links in the description of the video here. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is down detector. So I will have this in the description of the video. So if you notice a big spike in outages when you are on this web page, so this will change obviously in real time. So when you're on here, if you're noticing it says problems at Reddit, that there's a good chance that the Reddit servers are down and you can actually view an outage map. So just keep that in mind. So it could depend obviously, what time of day you're going on. If there's a lot of usage, it could result in more problems being reported. Another website you can also use is Twitter. There's a Twitter feed that shows about errors being reported. So it could definitely be on here as well. It has about 35,000 followers. So if you wanted to follow that page, and just wanted to give you guys that. Might also throw another option also in the description of the video as well. And just want to give you guys a couple different ways just to show that Reddit might be down at the moment when you're trying to browse the website, which has happened to me. And that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.